Good evening, everyone. Respected DC Madam and all the dignitaries. Thank you, Boss Lady Ajna, for the lovely introduction. You will remain my Boss Lady forever. ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂತ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ನಾನು ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಅತುಲ್ ಕಾಮತ್ ಸೆಡ್ that women, if we are competing for equality with men, we are downgrading ourselves. Another my standard dialogue in every Women's Day, but that's been already spoken, so I don't know what else to say. Adding to all the things that you said, let me tell few unpopular things about myself. So women, whether bureaucrats or doctor or whatever you are, even though you are a housemaker or a housewife, the expectation from men in general, men andre tappagtade because there are men. I have come with 4 men of my family. They may leave me halfway through and go back if I say something nasty. But the expectation in general from everyone is you have to look like a girl, think like a lady, to think like a lady and take decisions like a man and work like a horse. This is the expectation. I am 53 and I can't possibly look like a girl anymore. And I try to behave like a woman. I try to be coy and naive and innocent, and that I can't fake for more than a few minutes. Then my originality comes out. So then, taking decisions like a man, I try and I do take harsh and tough decisions, which is why I am a bit unpopular. But the society's double standards are such. If a man in any position, be it officer, politician or a businessman, social worker, if any man in power takes some tough decisions, he is admired for it. He says, everybody says, oh, such a great man, he takes tough decisions. If a woman takes such decisions, immediately you are dubbed as arrogant or so loud or whatever. Is it not? So that's the double standards we live in. And work like a horse. So that I do. I work like a horse almost for 18-20 hours a day. So when a horse works for 20 hours, so sometimes he kicks people behind. So people who come in front or back or side, this side, that side. So sometimes the horse kicks. So which is why I get sometimes unpopular. Anyway, thank you so much for this. Is extremely honorable and extreme privilege to be here. And ಪ್ರೇರಣಾ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ಆಗ್ತೇನೋ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಂತ. ನೆವರ್ದಲೆಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೀ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ಆಗಲಿ. ನಾನು ಬಂದಿರೋ ಕಷ್ಟ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಬರದೇ ಇರಲಿ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೌಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ Ajna. Behind a loud and a confident woman, there is always an innocent and a vulnerable soul. So, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು naive and innocent soul, the kind of challenges I faced in life, I wish and pray that nobody needs to go through all that. Thank you anyway. Thank you so much.